Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London. Today we're diving into the world of exam preparation. With the right techniques, you can supercharge your studying and achieve the grades you desire. In this video, we'll explore various methods to enhance your study sessions and optimize your exam performance. Let's get started. Create a study schedule. Time management. The first step towards successful exam preparation is creating a study schedule. Here's how you can do it. Number 1, determine your goals. Identify the topics or subjects you need to study and set clear objectives to study each session. Number 2, allocate time. Divide your available study time into manageable chunks. Prioritize difficult or important subjects. Remember to include breaks to avoid burnout. Number 3, create a visual schedule. So use a planner, online calendar, or mobile app to outline the study plan. Ensure you have a balanced schedule covering all subjects. Active learning techniques. Passive reading and highlighting can only take you so far. How many times have we all done that? Let's explore some active learning techniques that engage your brain and improve retention. That is number 1, summarization. After reading a section or completing a topic, summarize the main points in your own words. This process reinforces your understanding and helps you remember key concepts. Number 2, flashcards. Create flashcards with questions or keywords on one side and answers on the other. Review them regularly, testing your knowledge and reinforcing important information. Number 3, teach someone. Explaining concepts to others helps solidify your understanding. Find a study partner or even a stuffed animal and teach them what you've learned. Utilizing visual aids. Incorporating visual aids can enhance your study sessions by creating a more engaging learning experience. So, for example, you could be using a mind map, so creating visual diagrams to organize and connect ideas. Use colors, shapes, and arrows to visually represent the relationships between topics. So your mind map should be colorful and engaging to look at. Number 2 is diagrams and flowcharts. So for subjects like biology or processes, creating diagrams and flowcharts to visualize complex information is important. And these visuals can simplify your concepts and aid in recalling during your exams. And importantly, practice. Practice makes perfect, especially when it comes to exams. So let's explore ways to incorporate practice into your study routine. Number 1 is to do past exam papers. So find past exam papers or practice questions relevant to your subject. Solve them under time conditions to sort of get the feeling of a real exam. And review your answers afterwards to identify areas of improvement. Mock exams. Set up mock exams using a timer and a quiet environment. Mimic the actual exam conditions to build familiarity and reduce your anxiety. And some healthy study habits for you to consider. So these are essentially things for you to have effective studying. And here are some tips to keep in mind. Sleep and rest. Ensure you get enough sleep each night to allow your brain to consolidate information. Take regular breaks during study sessions to rest and recharge. Stay active and eat well. Engage in regular physical activity to boost blood flow to the brain. Eat nutritious meals including brain-boosting foods like fruits, vegetables and nuts. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to study for exams using different techniques all in one video. Remember, the key to success lies in effective time management, active learning, visual aids, practice, and healthy habits. So go ahead and apply these strategies to your study routine.